Hi, this is Jill from Humu Yoga, and this is the opening to the practice. This week's theme is non-attachment, and we're going to dig deeper into that in just a moment. We use these openings as a way to help us to find some meaning in our practice. And for me, it takes me inwards and gives me a nice intention behind everything I do in my practice, and then it carries over into my life. And if you are liking these and you want me to continue, please subscribe. And if you hit that little bell, you'll get a notification every time one of our videos is released. Thanks. So we'll go ahead and start. So just take the hands down by the sides and take a moment. You can close your eyes and we're going to be drawing inward. So we'll start with the bandhas, starting with mula bandha. Bandha means lock. So you come into your pelvic floor and you're just feeling a sense of engagement, right? It's a rooting. Mula means root. And then a little above that, below the navel, we have uddiyana bandha. So that's a drawing in and up. And that one, you feel a sense of lifting upwards. Uddiyana means flying upwards. So it's a sense of lift. And then all the way at the top, Jalandhara bandha, we gently just draw the chin down. So that's the chin lock. And now with the bandhas engaged and the energy sealed inward, we're supported, and you can just release the hands now and just begin to focus on the breath. A full breath. Notice, are you holding tension somewhere, right? So inhale, open, feel that sense of breath, filling out your rib cage. And then exhale, feel how the rib cage softens and comes closer together. These breaths become a little bit more expansive as you do them, and exhaling, and we become connected to the breath. One more, inhale, let the rib cage expand. Exhale, feel the rib cage drawing closer together. And now let's go ahead and take the hands without changing the energy together in prayer position. And we're going to vibrate with the mantra Om. Om is all of the sounds of the universe, and it becomes a vibration. So just let the head rise a little bit to open the vocal cords, and we'll vibrate an Om together. Taking a breath in. Bowing in, and now just stay here in this place, and I will recite the quotes. Non-attachment. A feeling of aversion or attachment towards something is your clue that there's work to be done. Detachment is not giving up the things in this world, but accepting the fact and to be continuously aware that nothing is permanent. Attachment to the outcome destroys your creativity. Non-resistance, non-judgmental, and non-attachment are the three aspects of true freedom and enlightened living. You only lose what you cling to. Non-attachment. Well, for me, this has been really, really good to remember, especially as I'm aging, because change happens all the time, and it's something that can change the course of how you thought something was going to go. But rather than get frustrated by it, accepting it and going with it, sometimes it can take you to a richer, more fulfilled place. So I'm trying to remember that in my life. So let's go ahead and come over to all fours. In my practice and in my life, come to all fours. I've been practicing yoga a very long time. And now from here, we're going to go ahead and round the spine and just feel that stretch.
And I really used to try to powerfully go for advancing my asana, trying to do the advanced moves. Inhale, always trying to move forward and doing harder things. Feel this arch, but don't make this hard, make it easy. And now I'm learning, as my body ages, through injury or osteoarthritis, things that just happen. Inhale, arch. And accepting that that's very natural, especially as we age, and accepting it, it's taken me deeper, rounding the spine. I'm starting to use props and feeling things in a way that feels more aligned. Let's take this back, downward facing dog. And I'm really enjoying the process. Breathing here, inhale and exhale. And now I'm convinced I'm going to do this for the rest of my life. Inhale, and just following along with the changes as they come. Breathing. You might want to bend the knees, reaching, and exhale. And when you're ready, we're going to slowly make the way up to the front of the mat. So you can bend the knees if you need to. Walking up, but maybe you need to go wide. Right? Maybe it's hard to get up to the front. That's okay. And maybe you don't even come up as far as I do. That's okay too. Just go to where you can. And then find that place and just relax. Drop the head. You can even bend the knees here. We're just going to grab the elbows and take a moment. Just notice where you're at today. And then slowly, I'm going to drop the hands and we're going to curl up to standing. So as you curl up, pull the belly back to support the spine. We're trying to stack the spine one vertebra at a time. Slowly curling, stacking, slowly curling up. The shoulders arrive on the spine, and then the head. And then just take a moment and pause here. Just notice what's going on. And then slowly we're going to step everything together in Samasthiti, standing still and straight and ready to start the practice.